As-Salamu Alaikum guys. Hope you guys are doing well Insha Allah. Today's hadith is from Sahih al-Bukhari 105, Book 3 Hadith 47. Narrated by Abu Bakra. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "No doubt your blood, property." The sub-narrator Muhammad thought that Abu Bakra had also mentioned "and your honor, chastity, are sacred to one another as is the sanctity of this day of yours in this month of yours. It is incumbent on those who are present to inform those who are absent." Muhammad the sub-narrator used to say, "Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, told the truth." The Prophet, peace be upon him, repeated twice, "No doubt. Haven't I conveyed Allah's message to you?" If you like the content, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and share too. And Insha Allah we will meet in Jannah. Salam.